Hi guys, how's it all going? Hey, exciting times, eh? Can you believe it? Another unboxing video. Thank you very much, Jonathan from Reggie's Razors. They got in touch with me, reggiesrazors.co.uk, a British company making razors using all British stuff, guys. Get stuck in. If you're in the market for a razor, check them out. You won't be disappointed. Anyway, I came home from work today and this was here. Here we go. So we open it. I had no idea myself what was in it. We open it and there you go. First off, we'll go, here's the soap, 1.25ml. Check all this out on their website, reggiesrazors.co.uk. I'll put the link under this video. I can't see if it says what this shaving cream is. I'm going to use it in the shave, so I'll have more information for you there. Like I said, I just literally came home and here we are. But look at that for a pour. Little bubbles on it. It's like boiling. Like little. Actually, should we burst a bubble? Hey, there you go. It looks like the surface of the moon. It reminds me of something, you know. It smells beautiful, fresh citrus. There's a hint of Credaventus about this, guys. Oh, it smells absolutely wonderful. Looking forward. Going to use that in the shave. Going to use this razor in the shave as well. I had a different shave plan, but when I came home, this was here. Here you go. First, so have I said thank you? Once again, all at 6s and 7s, straight in from work, guys. Wanted to make this video and get it up as soon as possible. There's a razor, look, made in the UK, Reggie's Razors. Go and check them out. Here it is. Check this out. Put that box down there. This is metal box. That way you slide. You slide that and look, you get your little metal. Let me get this out. That wasn't in there. I put it in there and now can't get it out. There it is. There's your Reggie's Razors. That's metal, that, guys. It's actually metal, that. Reggie's Razors lighter, which I think is really, really cool. That in and of itself would take pride of place in your den. It's going in mine. I'm looking forward to that. And then here is the razor. Check this out, guys. That is the razor. It's called the Jupiter. So let's get everything out here and we'll put it together so you can get a full and proper look at it. Look at that, it's got the Reggie's logo on the bottom, which is wonderful. Very highly polished. All made in the UK, guys. We'll put this together. It's beautiful, beautifully weighted razor. It really is. It's just stunning. It's absolutely stunning. Look at that. Absolutely was a good heft to that, guys. Very good heft. Absolutely beautiful. Brass, highly polished. Like I said, this is an unboxing. I'll have more information in the shave video that's going to be up around about 8 or 9 hours after you see this today on Tuesday. I'll upload Wednesday. There you go. So thank you very much to Reggie's Razors for that. It's absolutely beautiful. I'm really, really looking forward to using that in the shave and the soap as well. So just a quick unboxing to say thank you to Jonathan. Thank you to Reggie's Razors. Thank you to everybody that watches these little unboxings. I am very fortunate. I do understand that. I like to give the company their due praise. I like to give thanks where it's due. And I like to show you the stuff in isolation. I'm going to prepare the thumbnail now. I will find a nice soap and brush to try and do this justice. You'll know if I have done if you watch to this point now. And then you see the shave tomorrow. Look after yourselves, guys. reggiesrazors.co.uk. Check them out. Bye.